Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MetaMask on Chrome browser, secure guide step by step clearly. Open your Chrome browser. In the top right corner, locate the three vertical dots. Click on the dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Extensions. Scroll down to find the MetaMask extension. If you haven't installed MetaMask yet, type MetaMask extension into the search bar. Click the first link that appears. This will take you to the MetaMask Chrome Web Store page. Click on the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation dialog will pop up. Select Add Extension to install. Once installed, you will see the MetaMask icon in the toolbar. Click on the MetaMask icon to open it. If this is your first time using MetaMask, choose Get Started. Select Import Wallet if you already have a wallet. Enter your seed phrase in the provided field. Make sure to type it exactly as it was given to you. Create a new password for your wallet. Confirm your password by entering it again. Click Unlock to access your wallet. If you're setting up a new wallet, choose Create a Wallet. Follow the prompts to create your wallet and seed phrase. Once your wallet is set up, you will be directed to the main interface. For existing users, you will see your wallet balance and transaction history. You are now logged into MetaMask on your Chrome browser. Ensure that you always log out after your session for security reasons. To log out, click on the account icon in the top right corner. Select Lock from the drop-down menu. Your MetaMask wallet is now secured until you log in again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.